Hey, what's up family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and in this video we're gonna talk about the last week for Supreme. So it's official, bruh. At this point we got whatever's releasing for the last week. We got a couple items that actually got erased from the whole season, and we're gonna get into all of that today. But if you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. You might as well, because there's a Supreme giveaway going on for all these items right here. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and follow nori.archives on Instagram. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. First, I'm gonna talk about the two items that actually got removed from the season completely. One of them being the Bodies rayon short sleeve. Hey, you feel me? That's just a little bit explicit. I kind of see why they removed it. And we also do got the reflective mesh camp cap. This shit looks like some dookie shit. So you feel me? I feel you. I understand why you would take this off. Honestly, nobody was gonna buy that shit anyway. So let's leave it right there and get into the actual drop list, which is literally gonna be dropping on the 30th of December, right before 2022. At the top of this list, we have a heavy hitter with the indoor tennis table. Shit is crazy, bruh. This is probably gonna retail at least for $2,000. It is the Butterfly brand, so honestly, double that, triple that. It's gonna be like $4,000 to $6,000. And no, you tripping, bro. That's a lot of money to spend on an indoor table tennis table, and this is definitely not happening on this side. But if you got a house out in Malibu or some shit out there in the hills, and you play table tennis where your 1%er friends and shit, this might be for you. I don't know, I'm good on this shit. If it was a more affordable price, then I could see a lot more regular people reaching for it. But honestly, at the price that this is probably gonna retail at, I'm sure that a lot of people like us are just gonna sleep on it. After that, we got the Supreme Yankees collab, which I did drop a video for yesterday. I'll talk about the collab at the end of this video, because literally that was my previous video before this. I'll get back to it. But we do got these Windstopper gloves, which were supposed to release a little while ago at this point. Basically some gloves on some Kanye shit. It just says Supreme on the top right here. Almost has like this digital night camo vibe to it. It's cool. I'm not the person to really wear gloves unless it's like nippy outside. You're not gonna catch me in some gloves, or if I'm working maybe with the conditions outside, we good on that. We do have this crystal box, which I don't really know what this would be used for. Honestly, it looks like it would be used for something explicit, so I'm not even gonna talk about it. But it does come in 3 different colorways, one being the neon, then you got like that tortoise design to it. You know what I'm talking about, the little brown glasses with that design to it. You got that type shit, and then you got the clear one. Honestly, I would go for the clear or the melanin queen color. Besides that, that neon one, I'd probably take a seat on, and I don't even know what retail for something like this is gonna be. So 9 times out of 10, I'd probably just relax, bro. Like, just relax. We got this gradient stripe beanie. This one comes in 4 different colorways. Honestly, the only 2 passable ones, in my opinion, would be that black or that grayish fade. The gray fade one is actually hard. I love that gradient on that one specifically. I feel like it's a beanie that they don't drop normally, and it does look fire. Let me know what you guys think about this beanie. I honestly feel like it's a sleeper. If you don't have too many Supreme beanies and you're trying to get into it, this wouldn't be a bad one to cop in that black or that gray color, at least in my opinion. We got the Polar Tech Balaclava. Remember I said there was another one supposed to release? This is gonna be dropping, and it comes in 6 different colors. My favorites honestly being that cream or the olive. Both of those are beautiful colorways, and if I could get my hands on it, I would. I don't really use all my balaclavas, so honestly, I don't know, you know? I did recently buy another one as well, so I don't know if I need another balaclava, you know what I'm saying? I do have the Supreme box logo over the face one, which is kind of loud, so this is a more subtle version of it, if that's something that you do want. We got the Velvet Pattern Trooper. This one comes in 4 different colors, and you feel me? If you're trying to wear the Trooper, if you're in Alaska, if you out in the mountains skiing, then this shit is for you. Like, you know, you can strap that shit at the bottom, keep your ears nice and snug, nice and furrified, keep your little ear pods inside, listening to whatever it is that you want to listen to while you sloping down the mountain, about to bust your ass with this Supreme earmuff hat. I don't know where that came from, but if you want to cop this Trooper, it should be easy to get. Honestly, not that many people going for it, at least in my opinion. Maybe I'm tripping. Hey, it's just my opinion at the end of the day. You cop whatever you want, just like I will. But we got the Polar Tech ear flap hat. I feel like this shit was supposed to release like fucking 4 times already. And we got the scarf. Bro, these shits were supposed to drop dropped like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you feeling what I'm feeling. I feel like these are supposed to drop with the half zips and the hoodies. I thought they dropped. I don't even know. Maybe I completely skipped past it because it wasn't something I wanted, but I thought this shit dropped. And we do got the bleached leopard hoodie. It's basically like a leopard print on these 3 colors: black, baby blue, and burgundy, and it's almost like it was bleached with a leopard design to it. It's leopard and it looks ass. It looks doo-doo, bro. I'm not going for this. I see why it's at the bottom. You got the sweatpants to match, and what can I say, bro? They're both basura. Like, you don't want to buy these, at least in my opinion. Just go ahead and wait. I'm pretty sure Supreme is gonna do the Supreme sale where they put shit that sat on sale. This is gonna be there. If you want it, just wait a little bit and it's gonna go down. Just trust me, bro. This shit is gonna be on the sale section for sure. That's pretty much it for the drop list. We do have the Yankees collaboration, which I will talk about in general. We got the down jacket, which is probably my favorite piece from the collection. I honestly love it in that red color. I honestly like the green. It gives me like sour apple vibes. You got the red with the red apple, and then the navy. 3 iconic New York colors, and honestly these go hard. I like the way they put the big ass Supreme Yankees branding on the back. You got a lot of patches going on this one. It looks like it's a cozy ass jacket, and there's nothing bad I can honestly say about this one. I do know that the price is gonna be a little bit steeper, but it makes sense why it is. It's a little collab, you feel me? It's a little hefty jacket. It's Gore-Tex. It's sturdy. That shit'll last you hella long. But we got the box logo beanie and we got the hats coming out. Both of them are fire. Honestly, if I could get my hands on the beanie, I would rather do that. I don't really love the hat too much. Maybe that tan color, but the other ones with the New York Yankees logo in white is way too loud. I feel like if it was tonal, I would love it more. I'm kind of growing to like it. I don't love it. I don't know if I'm gonna go for it. If I don't end up getting the beanie, that I'd probably try to go for it, but I'm not stressed, you feel me? If I don't get it, I wouldn't even be tight at all. There's the skate deck, which y'all know how I feel about the skate deck. I think it's sick. If I could, I would, but I don't know where to put these shits at this point, so I probably just gotta take a seat on this one. Personally, I am a fan of the navy or black color. That is my favorite for that one. We got the well done Tims, the brown Tims. Who is buying these, bro? Who said, yo, I got a design for y'all? It's these shits right here. No, bruh, no. Just fire them on the spot, bro. Let them go. Just let them go, because ain't nobody buying this shit. And if you are, my blessings go out to you and your family. I really do hope that you can pull these off, because if not, it's gonna be an issue in the family tree, bro. Like, these shits is ass. I don't understand por qué. Just why? Tell me why. Please tell me why. But that pretty much does it for this video, man. If you did end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Bunch of new content on the way. This beanie is being given away right now, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow nori.archives. The link will be in the description, and you will have a chance to win the Supreme beanie, the playing cards, and 5 box logo stickers. So make sure you go ahead and do that. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.